Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And click on another video. Now, this is a very interesting case with Bonnie Hines. This is the notorious murderer from out of Westmoreland. Police kill him. But what kind of stick out to me is why this guy became a gangster and a bad man. Very interesting. Let's go. Up until 2019, this guy was unknown to police, Mr. Bonnie Hines. But soon after, police start know about him because them accuse him of killing 2 people. Now, why did he kill these 2 people? According to the source, this man Bonnie Hines was a law-abiding citizen, and the gunman them are the 28s in our neighborhood hide a gun underneath the cellar of him house, in brother house where them live. What is a 28? I'm gonna explain and then come right back in and finish this, discuss this and explain to you. Jamaica is filled with these 87s, like Sir P said. Me, I call them 28s. And I'm gonna explain 28s right now. Look at the screen in front of you. This is my graph explaining how I apply numbers to the Jamaican gangs them. And this is from a gang called the Numbers Gang out of South Africa, but I am applying it to Jamaica. Look at the screen. It said the 26 are responsible for gambling, smuggling, and wealth. The 28s are the warriors and responsible for fighting on the behalf of all 3 groups. The 27s are the guardians of the law and peacekeeping. The 28 them hide a gun underneath the house where Mr. Bonnie Hines' brother lives. When they went back to get the gun was missing, and they said he was responsible for it. Now, this situation in Jamaica has always been a problem. I personally know 2 people, 2 women that was killed in Jamaica under the same circumstance. You have some 28 living at them yard. The man them hide gun and them kill the 2 lady them. One of them was pregnant and one was her mother. And this killing leave a stink in me and in my mind. And believe me, you see that killing there? When I talk about, it set off a piece of war in that community, and it changed the whole community, and I know that for a fact. So, with Mr. Bonnie Hines, the same thing happened to him. Them live in a place named Russia in a Westmoreland. Like I said, when the man them go back for the gun, with them hide underneath Mr. Bonnie Hines' brother house, them say him take the gun. No, my thing is, why them not hide the gun off them yard? It's like them a look people for set up. No boy can't hide gun in my yard, you know. Any boy hide gun in my yard, them have to come take that, or my gun that. And it seems like a that one. But, no, I know that one. Me different, me a countryman, me a warboat. But, the man was a law-abiding citizen. You understand? Now, after them killing brother, that's when Mr. Hines and him two associate them. One them called Santa. You hear that name there? Gunman named Santa. 28 named Santa. And then the other one named Moses. Can you imagine? Them turn a menace in the community after Mr. Bonnie Hines' brother dead. Boy, I not support them, you know. But it is a typical story in Jamaica. Like me say. The bad man them in our neighborhood, the 28 them put the people them in a certain position. Me remember when me did I grow up and thing. Me know a youth, you know. The man them said them at 28 ago go do things. And you know the man, where am I do things for? At night time the boss, the so-called boss, drive go up him house. And then the so-called shatter and the killer want come on my yard, come stay. You're mad now blow out. Yo, him do that for like 2 days. You know what me do? Me jump on a plane and go a foreign. Me tell him say, yo, me soon come back, man. Me I go round the corner and countryman jump on a plane and go a foreign. Because them out there kill people, but them want come on my yard, come hang out with my father there and my family. And through them a gunman and bad man in our neighborhood, if countryman not do it, there is a problem. So you know what me do? Me tell them say, listen, me a jump on a plane, you know, and me a go a foreign. As a matter of fact, me not tell them, me tell my father. You understand? And tell them say, yo, me soon come back, man. Yo, the whole of them dead off. Except one. So, my point is, this man, Bonnie Hines, the notorious wanted man where the police them kill, he is a product of the Jamaica violent society where the man them hide gun underneath him house, them kill them hide gun under him house, them kill him brother, saying brother responsible for it. Him feel like the only justice him can get is by getting bad and do him own a revenge. Now the police say them did capture the 2 man them were killing brother, you know. But you know how Jamaican society is. Even though them capture them 2 man, it might not even be the 2 man them will do it. You know the community know what's going on. So my youth feel like say, yo, him have to take him revenge. Them kill my brother. And me feel the same way. You understand? Me feel the same way, you know. But me though, as a bigger person, me make the karma thing rule. Me say me I make law enforcement deal with it. But me feel like when them kill my brother, people for go missing. But as me say, me a big man, and me now go that road. Me make the workless police them deal with it and thing. Now, like me say, him 2 friend them run at and turn themselves in and feel it get lick off Bonnie Hines. But like me I said, me now support when do. But I really do understand the situation. And the Jamaica government and the police and the so-called army, we have an army where I shoot on the people. I've never seen this. They need to put things or programs in place where a situation like this wouldn't have to escalate, where the victim becomes the victimizer. That's just my opinion. My name is Countryman. Click on another video and subscribe. And like me say, this was just something that's close to me. Cause like me say, me a Jamaican, just like any other Jamaican. Me know Wagwan, me know the man name in the hood, me know whatever. And me I speak my mind. I am not politically correct. And I want the best for Jamaica. We want to get rid of them 28, yeah? And we want a better country. I'm a Jamaican nationalist. My name is Countryman. I'm out.